30 days is usually enough time to see whether KashKick fits your earning style, because you've likely completed multiple offers, seen rewards move from pending to credited, and learned which tasks are actually worth your time. By the end of this, you'll know what your account should look like after a month, what changes compared to your first week, and what you should focus on going forward. The biggest difference after 30 days is experience. During your first week, you're learning how offer tracking works. After a month, you should know which offer categories match your device, location, and interests. That makes choosing new offers much easier. You'll also have a better understanding of pending rewards. Some offers credit quickly, while others stay pending until the advertiser confirms you've completed every requirement. Seeing pending rewards is normal, and doesn't automatically mean something is wrong. Another change is how you evaluate offers. Instead of starting every available task, you'll probably begin skipping offers with complicated requirements, and focusing on ones you can realistically complete. That saves time, and reduces tracking problems. By this point, your account history also becomes more useful. You can review completed offers, check which ones track successfully, and identify patterns if certain advertisers or offer types consistently work better for you. Now let's talk about common expectations after a month. You shouldn't expect every offer to qualify. Some surveys will still screen you out. Some offers may still require support if they fail to track correctly. Those situations can happen even with experienced users. What should improve is your success rate. Reading requirements carefully before starting an offer usually leads to fewer mistakes than rushing through multiple tasks at once. You should also have a routine. That might mean checking for new offers once a day, finishing one offer before starting another, and keeping screenshots of important completion pages. Those habits make it much easier to resolve issues if something doesn't credit correctly. The biggest mistake after 30 days is assuming you've learned everything. Offer availability changes, advertisers rotate campaigns, and new promotions appear regularly. Staying selective is more effective than trying every new offer that appears. To sum it up, after 30 days you should understand how KashKick tracks offers, recognize which tasks work best for you, and spend less time on offers with poor completion value. Next, review your completed activity, identify the offer types that consistently credit, and focus your future time on those instead of chasing every opportunity. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more practical KashKick tips, and check out our other videos covering payouts, tracking issues, and account troubleshooting.